Alright, so Apple just released AirPods Pro 3 firmware version 8B34. And before we talk about what they fixed in this firmware version for the AirPods Pro 3, let me show you how to update your AirPods Pro 3 if you haven't already. So first, you want to go ahead and connect your AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone and then go to settings. And then once it's connected, you should, let me just connect it real quick here. So once you connect it there, you should be able to go to the settings here and then scroll all the way down and you should see what firmware version it is on. So right now I'm on 8B34, which is the latest firmware version for the AirPods Pro 3. And I could just go to this website right here, which shows all the latest AirPods firmware update. So once you realize that, oh, you're on the latest one, then you'll be good to go. One thing to note that this update automatically updates on your AirPods Pro 3, so you don't really have to do anything. But if it hasn't updated, here are some steps you could take to update your AirPods Pro 3. So to update your AirPods Pro 3, just first make sure that your iPhone that you're connected to is on the latest software update. So just go to your software update in settings and just check to make sure that your iOS is up to date. Once that's up to date, just connect your AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone. So once you have your AirPods Pro 3 connected to your iPhone, you can go ahead and then go to the settings of the AirPods Pro 3 and then you could check the version, make sure that you're on the latest version. If not, then you will need to update it. So what you need to do is connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi and then make sure that both earpods are in the case, and then go ahead and plug the AirPods Pro 3 case into power and then give it some time, right around at least like 30 minutes for the firmware update to do automatically. And then once it's updated, just open up the lid, connect it back to your phone and just check and verify that it actually updated. One thing to note, I did notice that while this was updating, like the version updated to 8B34 first, and then the case version was on a different version for a couple minutes, and then after checking a couple minutes later, it was on the same version as what the version is. So just one thing to note, that it may take some time for the case version to update after the AirPods itself is updated. So once you have that updated, you should be good to go. So once you've done all this step, your AirPods should be able to update. But if it doesn't update, then you can go ahead and reset your AirPods, which is pretty easy. I did a dedicated on how to reset your AirPods, so I'll link that down below so you guys can check it out. And I also did like a dedicated video on how to actually update your AirPods firmware, so I'll link that also down below the description, so feel free to check that out if you're having any issues updating your AirPods Pro 3. So while doing some research for this video, I did notice that some people actually noticed some difference in this firmware update. So this one person on Mac Rumors commented that the ANC is finally working consistently after this update. So I guess he's been having some ANC issues where the ANC just keeps degrading over time, but after doing this update, it actually fixed that issue. So now the ANC is actually working consistently. Another person on Reddit mentioned that they actually sound better after doing this update, and also the bass is more prominent after doing this update. So as you guys can see, this firmware update definitely fixes some of the issues that people were having on the AirPods Pro 3. But let me know down below in the comment section if this is the same experience for you. Like, did anything fix or improve for you on your AirPods Pro 3? Let me know down below in the comment section. So based off my experience, one thing I noticed that was fixed was there was this little high-pitched sound that I would hear sometimes whenever I connect my AirPods Pro 3. I'm not hearing that anymore, at least for now, but I'll let you guys know if that ever comes back up. But for now, I'm not hearing that high-pitched sound. So I guess this firmware update actually fixes that issue. But some issues that people are still facing is that whenever you take out the AirPods Pro 3 and put them in your ear, sometimes only one will work, like the other one won't work right away. And it seems like a lot of people have been having these issues, so I guess that issue is still out there. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have experienced this issue. Another post on Reddit mentioned that they hope that this firmware will fix a bug where the spatial audio randomly turns off but the settings is still toggled as on. So I hope they fix that issue in this firmware update or in the upcoming updates. Let me know also in the comment section if you've been experiencing this spatial audio issue where it randomly turns off but it's actually turned on in the settings. I really hope that one day Apple will just give us like actual firmware update release notes and say, hey, we actually fixed fix this. Let me know if this actually works, more than just giving us release notes that just says bugs, fixes, and other improvements. So I hope that Apple just gives us some better release notes in the near future. Let me know if you notice any difference in your AirPods Pro 3 after updating to this firmware, and also let me know what issues you are having with your AirPods Pro 3. And if you're wondering what wallpaper I have on my phone right here, it will be linked down below in the description, so feel free to check it out. It is actually free, but if you want to purchase it, you can go ahead and purchase it. I appreciate it if you do purchase it, or if you even just download it for free. Either way, you're supporting this channel, so thank you. Like and subscribe for more videos on the AirPods Pro 3. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.